This is exactly how to create an account on the Argos Pay app. So firstly, open up the Argos Pay app here as you can see. And now what you need to do to be able to create an account on it is to click right here where it says sign up. So click on sign up. And then we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load here as you can see. So we're just going to wait and perfect. So this is what they actually will be able to need from us. So they will need your 16-digit account number. They will also need your phone here because they will need to send you a one-time passcode that you have to check basically your SMS and then confirm it with them. And then you will also need your online registration. So this is the 6-digit code they will send to you via email for your new account. So basically what you need to do now is to just click on continue. And then here you're going to enter your personal details. So your last name, your postcode, then your account number. So you can see your account number starts with 7353. If you recently updated from an Argus card, use the new number that they have sent you by email or post here as you can see. So now what you need to do after that, you need to add the account number here and then click on continue. There's going to be 4 steps though that you need to actually pass before you can actually become an Argus Pay, before you can actually have an account with Argus Pay. So the second step is going to be where you live. The third one is going to be where you earn, what you earn, sorry, and spend. And number 4, they just want to confirm that everything that you've written is correct, of course. So basically, after you have fulfilled all of this process and they accept you, then you will be able to have an account on Argus Pay.